What's good, everybody? It's Kurt, back at it again with another unboxing. And today we're going to be unboxing a limited shoe, I would say. It dropped on sneakers, it sold out instantly, but I haven't even really seen anybody post about it, so let's get to it. Get our handy dandy knife. Now, this shoe is the first collaboration with a music recording artist. This music, I didn't know it was going to come in a special box. But by the box, you can already tell what it is. Oh my God. So let's go ahead and pull the box out. Here's the receipt, so y'all can't think that I buy fakes. So you saw the front of the box. Now, check this out right here. Boom! Cortez Kenny, size 10, my size. Now before I show you guys the shoe, obviously this is Kendrick Lamar's first collaboration with Nike. He had a brief stint with Reebok where he released a couple Reebok shoes, and the first one did pretty well, the red and blue one. Well, the shoe wasn't red and blue, but whatever. But Reebok just wasn't utilizing Kendrick, I feel like, how they could have. But now with Nike and the Cortez, Kendrick is going to be doing some big things. Let's get into the shoe. Ooh, buddy. So right away, we got some custom Dan paper. And we got ourselves the Nike Cortez Kenny 1. I really want you to wear them like this. So bam, the Nike Cortez Kenny 1. So as you can tell, it's just a white Cortez. You got Damn stitched in on this side, and then you got a Nike swoosh stitched in red on the inner. And then one of my favorite parts about the shoe is that you got Damn and the Nike swoosh on top of the tongue instead of your traditional Cortez, which I'm wearing right now, the Forrest Gumps, where it would just have Nike on, but we got Damn instead of Nike, which I think is a very cool touch. Now, another thing about this shoe is that, to me, the Cortez is a West Coast shoe with the cholos and the gangsters, and Nike is paying homage to that by saying Nike Cortez preferably wear with shorts and tall socks. It's like just straight up West Coast style right there, is you wear Cortezes with khaki shorts and tall socks. That's pretty cool, huh, how they added that.
Yeah, jumbo shoes.
So I feel like with recent events, with Kendrick Lamar winning the Grammy for the best rap album of the year with Damn, and then he won a bunch of other Grammys. So I feel like this shoe is gonna like mean a lot down the road to Kendrick Lamar fans, and just in general. Like, this is the first shoe that Kendrick is releasing with Nike, so it's in a sense almost like the first Yeezy, but that was an original shoe. This is just a collaboration on a shoe, but still, like, I wouldn't want it any other way with a collab with Kendrick Lamar and Nike. It had to be a Nike Cortez. And that'll do it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to watch our last video to know how to enter in our 100 subscriber giveaway, where we are giving away a pair of Nike Air Force Ones. And also, the number one thing is to never forget to keep it on the low.
Something came over me. Way too hot to simmer down. Might as well overeat. The roast to come for. As blood rush, my favorite thing. I keep racing like a junkie. I just need you to want me, and my accent don't budge. Let me break the head She said it's okay.